back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing a flat twist tutorial. One of my subscribers requested this video, and you ask and you shall receive. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how to flat twist. And for those of us who don't know how to braid, this is a great alternative for like your wig bases, to wear your hair under your wigs and stuff like that, because I personally do not know how to cornrow, so I do flat twist. So today you're going to see me do my hair, and I hope this helps. In half and half. My hair is already sectioned because I am doing another 10 days of the rice water, so I just took my hair out of 2 flat twists, so it's already split in half. But for the sake of this video, today I'm going to do 6 flat twists so you guys can really see how it's done. So all you're going to need is water, and I'm going to use a little bit of leave-in conditioner. Okay, let's get it. I mean, I like to do it on wet hair. I'm pretty sure you can do the flat twist on dry hair as well. I'm not going to soak my hair, I'm just going to dampen it so that the flat twists are flatter. I feel like when you do them on wet hair, they get flatter, especially if you're going to wear this as a style or underneath your wig. So a little bit of water in there. Work it in. And we're going to add, like I said, a little bit of leave-in. This much. Let me see, maybe a little more. Yeah, just a little more. Get these ends real good. Okay, so for me, I do not part my hair when I do these flat twists. I just use my finger to take a section. We're doing 3, so just part it all the way down. Take this section and clip it away. Okay, so now this is our first section. Detangle first. And I detangle twist by twist. I could have just detangled the whole section, whichever one you prefer. Okay, so now that it's detangled, we're going to grab a piece and grab another piece, right? Like you would do a 2-strand twist. So you take 2 pieces and then you twist them. This piece, the first piece, you're going to take and grab more hair with it. Okay, and you just pull the other hair out. But now you see this piece is bigger because I grabbed more hair. And you're going to twist. And with this piece, do the same thing. Grab more hair. Grab more hair and twist. So every time you twist, you grab more hair. With this piece, grab more hair and twist. And it doesn't have to be neat. I mean, if you're going to wear this as a twist out, the neater, the better when you're grabbing the sections. But for me, I'm not going to wear it as a twist out. I just want it to stay. So I just grab hair and continue to twist all the way down. And once there's no more hair to add from the root, you just twist down like a regular 2-strand. twist down. Okay, I'm going to continue to do that again. Like I said, I do not part my hair. If you were going to wear this as a straight back style, make it cute, then yes, go ahead and part it. If you're going to wear it as a twist out, don't part your hair with a comb because you don't want those parts in it when you take it down. Now we have this section. And same thing, detangle. And we're going to do the same thing for this twist. Grab a piece, grab another piece, twist those. With this tiny little piece that we had in the front, add more hair, twist. Grab more hair. So I slowed the video down here so you guys can see what I'm doing clearly. I do realize my hand is in the way a bit, but what I wanted to really show you is that what I'm doing is I'm sectioning off the piece that I'm going to grab with my thumb. I'm using my thumb to part that hair. Then I'm going to use my forefinger, my pointer finger, to go ahead and swoop the new section and twist it. So I separate with my thumb to part the hair that I'm going to grab and add to the twist, and then I use my pointer finger to twist it all together, as you can see here. So now I'm going in with the pointer finger, crossing it over, done. Then I'm going to go back up and use my thumb to go ahead and grab the next piece of hair, and then, like I said, use the forefinger to collect it all and twist it together. And we're going to continue doing that with the rest of the head. All done. Now, if you want it to be a neater style, if you were actually going to take these flat twist out and wear it as a twist out, I would recommend that you use some type of styling product, whether it be a gel, a twisting cream, a pudding, whatever you use to like help define your curls. I would wear this under your wig for those of us who don't know how to cornrow. I wouldn't do them this big if I was going to wear them under my wig. I would do about 8 instead of 6. And also, if your hair is thicker, I would do smaller twists as well, even if you were going to wear this as a twist out. If your hair is fuller, I would do smaller twists. So yeah, I hope this video helped you guys out. I hope you now know how to flat twist, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.